According to a new report, the Galaxy Z Fold7 will be the first book-style foldable phone to break the 4mm barrier when unfolded, coming in at an astonishing 3.9mm. That's right, 3.9mm when opened. For comparison, that's even thinner than the already sleek Oppo Find N5, which measures 4.2mm. When folded, the Z Fold7 is expected to measure 8.9mm thick, making it over 26% slimmer than the Z Fold6, which currently sits at around 12mm. That's a significant drop, and we're talking about Samsung's most ambitious engineering yet. Magnifying glass tilted left, breaking down the rumor confusion. Earlier rumors claimed the Fold7 could be as thin as 8.2mm when closed. Then other reports suggested 9.5mm. But now, reliable leaker Ice Universe is setting the record straight. 8.9mm closed. 3.9mm opened. To achieve this, Samsung reportedly had to use 0.55mm bumpers on each side, slightly thicker than the 0.45mm bumpers used in the Fold 6. So yes, Samsung is doing everything possible to shave off bulk without compromising durability. Lightbulb, why this is a big deal. This could make the Z Fold7 the most pocket-friendly and sleekest foldable ever made. Imagine a device that folds out into a full-size display but is slimmer than some credit cards when opened. That's futuristic. But wait, there's one big trade-off. Battery capacity, a major concern? To keep the phone this slim, Samsung is rumored to stick with a 4,400 mAh battery, just like in the Z Fold 6. Meanwhile, Chinese competitors like Huawei and Oppo are managing to fit larger batteries into their foldables, thanks to slightly bulkier designs. So while you're getting cutting-edge slimness, you might not see a major upgrade in battery life, especially if you're a power user. Gear performance powerhouse. On the bright side, the Fold7 isn't just about looks. It's expected to be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite for Galaxy chipset. This means faster performance, better thermal management, and next-gen AI features packed inside one of the thinnest phones ever. Camera with flash camera and design. While there are no major camera leaks yet, we expect Samsung to improve optics slightly. But one surprising twist? Despite being thinner, some leaks suggest the Fold7 may look thicker than rivals because of its boxier design, kind of like a mini laptop. So what do we have? World's thinnest foldable design. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Same 4,400 mAh battery. Clean, professional design with bold edges.